Yeah, it's realistic life. I stay in Caledonia, Ohio. Take load right now. They loading me. Oh, that's so good here, man. This 2019 Freightliner Cascadia. I have generator. You hear that behind my sleeper? Okay, let me see what's going on. Yeah, this village. It's okay. I love village. Caledonia, Ohio. It's no internet here. Very bad, poor signal, but it's okay. I enjoy my life. Oh my god, it's cold. It's 12,000 BTU air condition here, portable air condition. Do you see that? Okay, that's, I said 61. Okay, so that's behind two pipes. Yeah, that's water drain and another one water drain there. So, oh, Ukrainian flag. Love Ukraine. So I need to find something to block that window because I use another stuff. This pipe is suck, that is exhaust. So I do not lead idling engine. So it's mess, yes, it's mess because I'm like local driver. I not stay on the road for 8 states. I have only to Ohio and back home to Wilmington, Delaware. So, but that is okay here too. It's hot today, very hot. So that's my inverter. I want to watch TV, but I can't. They see that's signal doesn't work. Yeah, I want to check that news. Finally, yes. Send them all to home. Send them all to Gaza. Go into Gaza and rebuild Gaza. You will be hero. Do not do protest in America, in England, in everywhere. Do not. Just go to Gaza, be hero, rebuild Gaza. Come on. Okay, this is... I tried to watch that. It doesn't work. Internet is poor signal. Yeah, like I said. But that is cold. This is cold.
Mind you, these people come from places
it's
where
working.
they have no
Finally
yeah,
work.
they come to these Western countries and they say, whoa, where are my human rights? Where is my free speech?
Yes.
No, there is no free speech when you glorify rape and murder.
Yes, absolutely, I agree with you.
Education and
Ooh,
Serious. Oh my god. Okay guys, that is trucker life. When you, but what I have to do? I have just wait. Oh, maybe it will be work.
I came to the UK to receive an education and Hamas's propaganda and celebrate terrorism. And you thought that you could get away with it? Maybe in the olden days, yes, you would have gotten away with it, but I think things are changing, thankfully. Alright, folks.
Yeah, that protesters, he said about that.
For you.
They
remember
they
this woman?
support.
Yeah.
They support
This
terrorism and bloody terrorism everywhere. They are stupid. Serious. Okay, they do not. They spoiled by propaganda from everywhere. Whatever. Have a good luck. Just send them back.
I'm in the UK
to there,
on the premise that her life is in danger in Gaza because Hamas is out there.
Drink milk from donkey.
So the UK being a humanitarian